Sa na-experience sa mga bata during sa gera, makaingon ko nga parehas na migdaagian kay nakabakit po ko sa evacuation center, nagpila po ko og pagkaon, then naka-experience ko nga mahigda lang sa saminto og magbanigla og karton dayon. Ma-feeling mo nga hugaw ang palibot din saba kay mga dili ka komportable nga matulog.
Since we started this organization, we had been conducting activities which deal with emotions, and the program is community-based counseling intervention. We have community sessions with children and adults. The focus of these community sessions are on discussing their emotions as a result of the experiences they had, which are life-threatening.
I am a psychology professor and practitioner, and so I can also share my expertise and knowledge best in the part of trauma healing, emotional recovery, and other psychosocial programs of birth death.
Usually, kung namin sa Christian community, the main facilitator will be Christian. Kung naapod mi sa Maranao area, so ang main facilitator na po ang Muslim.
Sa mga Maranao participants, medyo sensitive ang ilang pamaagi kay bawal man sila magguniti og kamot ang babae ug lalaki.
Some of the community we visit were has this first time to have encountered an NGO who is rendering services like this, emotional recovery. So sometimes the participants were very hesitant and very shy. But later on, as we open up with them, as we play with them, then their shyness were lessened.
In general, how long would you say it takes for the children to relax a bit and open up?
Even in just one session, he started to open up.
Huh.
Yeah, because there are activities that we conducted to break the ice, make them comfortable with us and also with co-participants.
So the programs and the interventions for women and children affected by war lately is in partnership with the Coalition to Protect Children Involved in Armed Conflict, or CIAC. And in the research program, I function as one of the researchers, and this program is part of the activity of the network by which BirthDev is part of, Southeast Asia Coalition to Stop the Use of Child Soldiers.
Sama po sa mong kaagi katong naghatag po mig session sa usa sa mga served community sa BirthDev, naay time good nga naay tension sa session nga ginabuhat sa Maranao ug sa Christian kay tungod sa nahitagong gubat, pero sa pag-process ana dito na ipaklaro nga dili Maranao ug Christian may nag-away kundi ang perpetrator o ang gobyerno nga nag-away.
Sa among grupo ng edad og 8 to 12, naay isa ka Christian nga bata, nag-share to siya nga kuan pagdagko daw niya ganahan siya nga magsundalo kay para daw makapag-revenge sa mga Muslim or murag gi-generalize man to niya sa mga MI daw kay nakita niya during that conflict nga almost daw sa kuan nag-atake sa ilaha is mga Maranao daw. And then kato siya murag dili niya malimtan ang iyang experience kay nakita niya namatay iyang lolo and then ang iyang uncle. So kay nakitaan nako sa iyang mga mata ang iyang pagkalagod o pagkasuko sa mga Maranao. Murag naka-feel jud ko ato og kuan karang dili man po nato siya mablin pero para sa kuan murag naka-feel ko pagka si tawag ato unfair ba nga murag na generalize nga murag tanan jud nga Muslim kuan siya gasto ko siya sa tanan nga Muslim. Naka-feel ko ato murag feel na ko kanang kahilakon kay ko ato nga type kahilakon na makuan ko sa bata maluoy kanang naluoy ko sa bata murag ganahan kay ko siya nga i-comfort during that nga ga-share siya.
Kasagaran sa tubag sa mga bata kung na may maingon nga gusto magsundalo kasagaran nga tubag nila is katong mo serve sa government dayon mo revenge pero pag after pag-ingon nga revenge ibalik pangutana sa mga bata kung ang pag-revenge ba maayo ba nga buhaton para sa imong mga sa imong mga kauban nga mga katawhan or kabataan. Nilang mga tubag nila ana is dili. Then unsa man di ay ang hinungdan nga magsundalo magyud ka para daw maprotektahan nila ilang pamilya sa mga kaaway.
One of the effects of the war is the livelihood activities lessen. Before they tilled a 1 hectare land. After the conflict, they only tilled half hectares. With that, it decreases the income of the family. And the children have seen that. We also try to help in the economic aspect of the affected communities. We provided educational assistance to the children, so we provide them school supplies, we paid for their tuition, and also we buy for their uniforms.
I would like to say Birthday will be able to expand more on the different programs and activities, especially on the needs, the human needs of every family, more particularly on the health needs of the people, particularly on young children, on their immunization, their nutritional aspect, on the part of the mother and father is more on the reproductive health that we are more concerned.
Sa kuang naobserbahan, dako kay siya og kahimuan kay kadto nga time pag-ubat dili na mi gustong balik diri sa barangay Upuyo kay madlok mi kung balik na pod og sulong pero sa among nakatunan sa sesyon sa mga pamaagi nga among nakuha nimbalik ang amuang maayo nga panglantaw nimbalik ang amuang maayo nga panghuna-huna nga nadisturbo kadiyot atong nga gubat.
One particular example, or one pupil that we have here in school, after the incident happened, she was very aloof and very shy at the time, and she even don't have the time to mingle with her friends and her schoolmates. But then, after the sessions that the birthday had given to them, I observed that this particular pupil was able to recover emotionally in the sense that he's now become friendly and then he even excelled in his academic.
In behalf of the students, my teachers, the community and the local government unit, we are extending our thanks and gratitude to the birthday for extending their heartfelt support to our less fortunate children. I hope and pray to our Almighty Allah that this might not be the last help that you will extend to us, but this will continue till next year to come.